Hello, my name is Allison Gordon-Wright, and I am one of the immigration attorneys here at Hawks Villafranca Law. Today, I want to share and celebrate with you several approvals that we have gotten on some EB2 National Interest Waiver petitions lately. So I want to talk with you about each of these cases because I think it's helpful if you're someone who is interested in applying or knowing more about a national interest waiver to kind of know the kinds of cases that we are currently working on and the kinds of cases that we're having success and getting approvals with. So my first client that I want to talk with you about today was someone who was already in the U.S. on a work visa, but was interested in starting their own business in the technology space. And so we met with them, talked with them about this option, and decided that they would be a really good fit, that we could show that they had expertise in 5G and 6G wireless technology to be able to win their national interest waiver case. And so we were able to do that. It's important to remember with these national interest waiver cases that we're looking ahead, right? You don't have to already have done this in your own business, right? This individual was working for a different company, but was talking about was hoping to do this work for their own business in the future, but needed the residency, the green card, to be able to do that. And we were able to get that case approved. Another recent success was for someone who's in the green energy space, again, working for another company, but was wanting not just a visa, right? They wanted a green card, residency, something more secure, so that they could, remain in the United States permanently if they wanted to do so. I know Kaylani has mentioned success with other of the firm's green energy national interest waiver cases. And so I want to highlight this one to say, if you're someone and you work in renewable energy, you work in the green energy space, we are having a lot of success with these kinds of cases because the Biden administration in particular has really prioritized green energy and the nation's climate goals. And so if your work aligns with those goals, we're having great success in showing, hey, look, this is in the national interest. So if you're engaged in that kind of work or you're interested in doing that kind of work in the United States, please reach out to us, schedule a consultation. We'd love to talk with you more about that. And then the third approval I want to share with you is our client who is a DACA recipient, and they didn't feel like they had a good option of getting residency, right? They had DACA, but weren't married to a U.S. citizen, didn't see their employer sponsoring a green card on their behalf. And so we talked with them about their expertise and their technical skills, and were able to win their national interest waiver approval. So I want to share that with you because if you're a person with DACA, I actually just recently did another video talking about green card options for DACA recipients. But if you're a person with DACA, especially if you have an advanced degree, like a master's degree from within the United States or a bachelor's degree, and we can show that your work experience is equivalent of an advanced degree, please reach out to us. I think that I don't want DACA recipients to forget about this option, right? Because it can be a really good option to show, hey, look, your work is in the national interest of the country. So I wanted to share these approvals with you all and to celebrate them with you all, and to also let you know that if you're considering immigrating to the United States, or if you're already here on a visa, but want to get your residency, you want to become a lawful permanent resident to get on that pathway to citizenship, don't forget about this national interest waiver option. It's a forward-looking option, and individuals in lots of different kinds of industries can have success with this kind of application. And so we're having great success with these applications right now, and we're hopeful to continue to have more. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find our contact information below. Thanks so much.